Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, rear all-season, privacy glass, fog lamps. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.